Hi girls, so this is just to go through your homework. So the first one was question 11. So question 11 was like the homework you'd had the previous night. And a couple of you came to me and said you had difficulty with that question 9, girls. I did a video and I showed you how to do question 9. So will you take a look at it first, please, before you send me a message? Because the answers are always going to be done out for you. So if you have a look at it and you still don't understand it, by all means, come back to me, okay? So here's my right angled triangle. So the biggest side is the hypotenuse, so it gets labelled first. So it's h squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So h is the thing I don't know, so h squared is equal to 6 squared plus 4 squared. And then you're working it out, so that's 36 and 16. So that's 52. And then I want you to leave them as decimals, please, girls. So you've got to get the square root of 52. And some of you weren't doing this for me the last day, so I gave you a little comment. So it's square root of 52, you press equals on it. And if it comes up like that, you just press the SD button and you get it as 7.2. Sometimes they'll ask for it to be left in third form, but normally they ask for 1 decimal place. Okay. Sorry, Aisha, you asked me about 12. I didn't have the book with me because I was trying to do 2 jobs at once, and I had the little one with me, so I couldn't see what the question was. So just to take a look at it, now I know what you were asking me, so I'll go through it for you. Again, there's your right angle. This side then is your hypotenuse. Okay, so you're putting down h squared is equal to a squared plus b squared, the same as again. Instead of h squared, you're going to put in square root of 20 squared is equal to the square root of 13 squared plus b squared, because that's the one I don't know, or you could have left it the other way around. Okay, so when you type in square root of 20 squared into your calculator, you'll get 20. Square root of 13 is 13 plus b squared. Now, I'm looking for b squared, so I say to myself, what do I need to do to get b on its own? I've got to move this 13. So the opposite of a plus 13 is a minus 13. So that's 7 is equal to b squared. And the opposite of the square is b is equal to the square root of 7. And as I said to you, I want you then to type it in, because that way I know that I'm getting them correct. And it's b is equal to 2.45. Okay, so that's the question 12. I'll come back on now and I'll do another one. As you can hear, I'm being screamed at for a moment, so give me a second.